Welcome back to my educational channel, Math Voyage 2024 for students from grade 1 onwards. Hello everyone, this is Usha here. Welcome once again to Fraction Learning series. Today we are going to do the next topic in fraction, type of fractions. To begin with, let's take up the easiest of all, the unit fraction. We have already learned 1/2 and quarter in the previous topic. You can watch the video if you haven't so far. Let's recall what we have done in the previous topic. A fraction is a part of a whole. How to split a whole shape into half and 1/4. 2 halves and 4 quarters make a whole. We learned this with the help of basic shapes: rectangle, square and circle, and we divided each of these into half and quarter. In 1/2 and 1/4, 1 is the numerator and 2 and 4 here are the denominators. And in short, we can write like this: NR by DR. Now 1/2 and 1/4 are examples of unit fractions. So let's conclude. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Now let's take up unit fractions with different denominators. So here is a circle in which it is divided into 3 equal parts. Now what part of the circle is colored white? 1/3. Now let's take up another case. Here in this particular case, it is divided into 7 equal parts. The circle is divided into 7 equal parts. So what part of the circle is colored white? It is 1/7. In this particular case, the circle is divided into 9 equal parts. So what part of the circle is colored white? 1/9. Now another case, here the circle is divided into 10 equal parts. So 1/10 of the circle is colored white. Now let's take up 2 other cases. Now in this particular case, what part of the circle is colored? So 1/4 of this circle is colored. Last example here. What part of the circle is colored blue? 1/6. 5 parts are white in color and 1 part is blue in color. Here we have taken all the cases 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. There are 2 cases left with denominator 5 and 8. This chocolate is divided into 8 equal parts. Now suppose if you eat one piece out of this, what part of the chocolate are you eating? It is 1/8. I can show you the same with the help of a circle. In this particular circle, what part of the circle is colored white? It is 1/8. Now let's do one word problem. There are 5 members in a family. During snack time, they bought a pizza and cut it into 5 equal pieces. Now what fraction of the pizza will each family member get? Think of this. Now here comes your mouth-watering pizza. Now to show this, I'll take another pizza here. So how the family will cut it into 5 equal parts. See, here it is. So when it is cut into 5 equal parts, what fraction of the pizza will each family member get? It will be 1/5. Now the same I'll again show with the help of a circle. In this particular circle, it is divided into 5 equal parts. Now what part of the circle is colored? So it is 1/5. Now let's take up some more examples with different shapes. Now here is a triangle in which one part is colored blue. What part of the triangle is colored blue? It is 1/3. Now take another example. Here is a triangle in which there are 8 parts, 2 on the top, then here 2, and these 2. Altogether 8 parts. Now what part of the triangle is removed from this triangle? That's again 1 by 8. Take another triangle. In this particular triangle, this is similar to this one with 8 parts, and one of the parts is colored yellow. So what part is colored yellow? It is again 1 by 8. Now the next example. In this particular rectangle, there are 2 pieces. It is divided into 2 equal parts. One is green in color and one is white. Now what part of this is green in color? It is 1 by 2. Both are 1 by 2. They are equal. Now the next case. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces are there. Now what part is colored? Here again it is 1 by 8. Now one more. In this particular square, one portion is colored. Now what part of the square is colored? It is 1 by 4. Now one last example, a little different type. There are 5 hexagons and you are asked to color 1/5 of the hexagon. Now you can color any one of these. I would like to color this one. This is 1/5. We have finished unit fractions from 1 by 2 to 1 by 10. Now let me ask you some questions to see whether you have understood what we have done. So for that, let me take up first word problem. John had 15 sweets. He gave one of the sweets to his sister. Now what fraction of the sweets did he give to his sister? You think about it. Now who can give me the answer? Here, this clever boy can give me the answer. What is the answer? 1 by 15. Very good. That's right. Now another question. A sheet of paper is folded into 4 equal parts. One of the parts is shaded yellow. Now what fraction of the paper is shaded yellow? 1 by 4. Very good. That's right. Why? What happened? He hasn't understood. So let me explain this particular answer. Now take a sheet of paper and fold it into 4 equal parts. Now one of the portion is colored yellow. So therefore the answer is 1/4. 1/4 of this is shaded yellow. The next question, last question. What is the denominator in 1 by 16? Yeah, that's right. That's correct. So we have finished all types of questions. We have reached the last part of the video, that is points to remember. Now what is a fraction? A part of a whole is called a fraction. How many halves are there in one whole? 2. How many quarters are there in one whole? 4. And what is a unit fraction? A fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. So that's all in this video. If you liked my presentation and explanation, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. And also keep watching my videos of grade 1. Now the topic I am doing there is shapes. So goodbye everyone.